Good morning children. In previous class we solved chapter 4 exercise 4.4. In this class also we will continue that exercise only. See, question number 3 we are going to solve. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DE. Then find the values of X and Y. Here he has given one figure. AB is this line, CD is this line. These two lines are parallel. So we can say that BC is the transversal. Now again he mentioned BC and DE are parallel. This is BC and this is DE. They both are parallel, so we can say this is the transversal. Clear children? Now let's see how to solve. Given that AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DE. Suppose if AB is parallel to CD, just now I said BC is the transversal. When BC is the transversal, this 105 and 3x, what type of angles are those children? In alternate interior angles. When lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. That's why 3x is nothing but 105. We want x only, send 3 that side, so that will come under denominator. So x is equal to 105 by 3. So cancel the terms. 3 ones 3, 3 3 is 9, remainder is 1, give to 5, that become 15. 3 5 is 15. Clear children? So x is equal to 35 degree. We got x value. Now we need to find y value. So again you see the figure, BC is parallel to DE he mentioned, then CD is the transversal. Are you observing children? Then this angle D is and this 105 are the alternate interior angle children. That only we are writing angle D is equal to 105 alternate interior angles. But he is not asking to find angle D, he is asking to find angle Y. But connection is there, that's why first we are finding angle D. Now you see the triangle CDE. Sum of the angles in a triangle can we take? Yes, that only we are taking angle C. DCE plus angle E plus angle D equal to 180 degree according to angle sum property. Angle DCE has given 24 degree. Angle E is Y plus angle D just now we found 105. Clear children? So 24 plus 105 is 129. So 129 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Why you keep this side? 129 send another side. So y equal to 180 minus 129 degree. Clear children? Subtract those two, you will get 51. So y value is 51 degree. So we got x as 35 and y as 51 degree. Am I clear children? Let's see, we will solve one more problem, that is question number 7. In the given figure, segments shown by arrowheads are parallel. Find the values of x and y. He is telling these arrowheads, two lines are parallel. Then we need to find the value of x and y. Clear children? If these two lines are parallel, then are you observing this is the transversal? Clear children? So if this line is the transversal, so what can we say about 30 degree and x? They both are equal. How? By alternate interior angles. When lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. So x and 30 are alternate interior angles. So we are writing x equal to 30 degrees. So we got x value. Now we need to find y value. Again you see the figure children. This x as we are observing this as triangle, this part as triangle. So x and 45 are interior angles of this triangle and this y is exterior angle. To this exterior angle, these two angles are interior opposite. So we have one formula which we discussed in previous class. Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. That means y equal to x plus 45. Clear children? So we are writing that only, y equal to x plus 45. X value just now we got, that is 30 degree. So y equal to 30 plus 45 degree. 30 plus 45 is 75 degree. So y value we got 75. So x is 30 children and y is 75. Am I clear children? So note down today's homework. Solve chapter 4 exercise 4.4 question number 11 and 12 page number 103. An example of chapter 4, 15th example of chapter 4 you need to solve. Clear children?